Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve the square root of positive x plus square root of negative x is equals to 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So square root of x is equals to, I'm taking this term to other side, 4 minus square root of negative x. Now I'm doing squaring both sides. So with the help of this square root eliminates. So x is equals to, and here I am going to use a very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 4 square is 16 plus b square root x square is negative root x minus 2 times 4 times negative root x. So x is equals to 16 minus x minus 8 square root of negative x. So x, I'm taking this negative x to other side, positive x, and 16 also, negative 16 is equals to negative 8 negative root x. So 2x minus 16 is equals to negative 8 square root of negative x. If I'll take 2 common from both sides, we can cancel out this 2. So x minus 8 is equals to negative 4 square root of negative x. Now I'm doing again squaring both sides and apply this identity. So x square plus 8 square is 64 minus 16x is equals to negative 4 square is 16, and with the help of this square root eliminates negative x. So x square plus 64 negative 16x is equals to negative 16x. So these eliminate. So x square plus 64 is equals to 0. So x square is equals to negative 64. X square is equals to, we can write it as 64 times negative 1. So x square, x is equals to square root 64 times negative 1. So under root negative 1, we can write it as iota. And 64 is 8 square. So plus minus 8 iota, the value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.